Hey guys, unboxing the new Metabo 23 gauge pinner. Just got it from Atlas Machinery out of Toronto, so let's take a look. So this deal gave me an extra 3-hour battery. Pretty sweet. New bag. Comes with a charger. And the gun itself. It's pretty sweet. I've never actually held this before, so I like it. It's small. It's a lot heavier than your average air nailer 23 gauge, but this will definitely be handy. I'm doing such a large finishing job on this house we're building that I don't want to be carrying hoses throughout the whole house, so I'm going cordless for all my nail guns. But yeah, it comes with a 3-hour battery, so that's 2 3-hour batteries. I think I paid under $400 for it. I can't quite remember. That's where your nails go, and takes from 1 inch to 1 3/8, I guess. I don't know. I gotta take a look at that. .5/8 to 1 3/8. That's what this shoots. So pretty handy. See how it goes. A nice soft tip. All right. Catch you later, guys.